Hello friends, it's your favorite French YouTuber. Good day, my lady. And that's not a fedora. I'm trying to get it straight. I ruined it. Anyways, today we are doing some dumb hacks. The dumbest hacks you ever did see. Some of them might be so dumb that they're actually smart. Do you wear glasses? Are you sick and tired of taking off your glasses to wear sunglasses? And is one pair of sunglasses never enough UV protection for your precious eyes? Then try this! Tape all of your glasses together. Now you have the ultimate eyepiece. Just put that bad boy on, infinite UV protection, and you can read your newspaper. Okay, I really don't know why they tape 3 pairs of sunglasses and 1 pair of eyeglasses. Is this supposed to be like 1 pair of sunglasses and 1 eyeglasses? Why 3? Does it triple the protection? I want to ask how. How did the chair lose its legs? Was it in an accident? Did they have to amputate him? That poor chair, he's been through so much. But in new technological advancements, they were able to make him walk again. I put in 2 towers right under him. He's finally able to stand again. Saddest story I ever heard. How do you fill up a bucket with a water fountain, you might ask? So they made this little contraption right here where they put a rock on the water fountain so it forever squirts out water, and then made it go through a little water bottle contraption, and then it goes into the bucket. And now they will have 2 buckets full of water for free. What are these buckets for? Man, you hogging the water fountain. What if somebody comes and wants water? You gonna have to wait for you to fill up your buckets? For what? What are you filling up these buckets for, Okay, this is genius. So this household built a pipe that goes from the top floor to the basement. So every time they drink a can of beer or a can of anything, they just put it down the pipe and it goes down into the recycling bin. Ooh, that accuracy is so good. And then I don't know, y'all could just like take all of those and turn them in for some cash money. That's very cash money of you, by the way. Life hack, can't find a clean bowl? Try using your tub instead. Just get a pack of ramen, put it in the bathtub while you are taking a bath. Not when you're done, not before, while you are taking it. And don't forget the seasoning too. It makes great bath salts too. And then when it's done, you have a snack and a bath. Ugh, this reminds me of that dude from that Cheapskate show where he had a hot tub and he would take a bath in it and do his laundry and heat up his food. Y'all nasty for this. Like, can't find a clean bowl, cook it in the pack, put some hot water in the pack, cook it in a Ziploc bag, cook it in a trash bag, in a trash can, in the sink. Why is it gotta be in the bathtub with you while you are taking a bath? The whole point of a bath is supposed to be so you could become cleaner as a person. I don't care how good that chicken stock tastes. Y'all wanna smell like it. No cup holder, no problem. Get a roll of tape, slap that bad boy on the dashboard. You got yourself a cup holder until that falls over. And then you got a car full of coffee. Literally my worst nightmare. Any drink besides water spilling in my car. Okay, so this has happened twice to me. Once, I almost like this close got into an accident. Literally the first time my drink spilled when I was driving several years ago when I first got my car. I crashed into a median, and then instead of braking, I accidentally pressed the gas, and then I crashed into a tree. Or it was like a lamppost. There was a lot of trees in the median. Yeah, so that didn't go well. And then the 3rd time, luckily it was right after I got out of Chick-fil-A drive-thru. It was when they had their peach milkshakes. And it was when I first got my car. And it spilled! Because they didn't put the cap on tight enough. And nothing like milkshake spilling in a car. Disgusting. Sacre bleu. Wanna save your sandwich for later? Get one of those disc cases, you know, where you have all the CDs or empty DVDs. We don't buy these things anymore, huh? I used to go through so many of these in high school. If you make your own mixtapes, you probably go through these. But now, when you are done making all your mixtapes, you can literally put a bagel sandwich in it. Not just any sandwich, because that don't work, but a bagel sandwich. And you can save it for later. It's like it was made for a bagel sandwich. Not CDs, not your mixtape, but for a bagel sandwich. I love bagel sandwiches. Don't have any shoes but need to take out the trash? Just take 2 water bottles out of the trash and make yourself some Gucci flip-flops. Your bitch ain't got no socks. If you want to be extra fancy, you could do a green line, a red line, and a green line in Sharpie and make them some Gucci flip-flops for real. And nobody can tell the difference. Hacks. When you're at your guy's house and you need a hair elastic, so you rip a condom and use the top? Ugh! That's nasty. Y'all couldn't find a rubber band, but y'all could find a condom. And girls, don't y'all always got one like this? Life hacks. So you never have to worry. So you don't have to do this. You can't put a rubber band in your hair without ripping half of your hair out. But this looks like it would be worse. This was back in the day when we didn't have Bluetooth. You know that little earpiece? It's funny, that's what Bluetooth used to be back in the day. A little wireless earpiece that you would talk to with. You know, when you gotta take like hella business calls all day, and when someone turned this way and you don't see the Bluetooth and it look like they're talking to themselves. Literally, just rubber band your phone to your face. It's so easy. Okay, this guy is an actual genius. So whenever I'm listening to music on my phone, like on a plane or something, it's like I don't know where to put my phone. I'll sit on it, I'll put it in between my legs, I'll put it on the side of my legs. It's like I don't know where to put it. But this dude put it in the back of his hat and it fits so perfectly. Ain't nobody gonna take it. You're not gonna lose it. Your wire's not gonna get all messed up. You could just relax. Take a nap, and everything in this world is Gucci. Ice cream won't scoop? Try this. Don't try this. Seriously, don't try this. They put a spoon in the microwave. Life hacks! This is what will happen. Your microwave will set on fire. I always wondered if this is true. Because they say never, ever, ever put a fork or a spoon or a knife or any silverware in your microwave. Or this will happen. Honey, if the ice cream won't scoop, put the ice cream in the microwave for like 5 seconds. Not the spoon. No pants? No problem. Get a trash bag. Walk your ass down to Taco Bell for some breakfast. Must have been a wild night. You wake up, you can't find your pants. Trash bag. I mean, he killing it. It's working. I wonder if it's one of those scented ones that smells like Febreze. Looking like trash, but smelling like lavender lilac. Oh, love lavender lilac. Okay, this is wild. So somebody got a super mega PC and they had 30 USB ports. Okay, see, mine got 3. This got 30 and connected all those USBs to a heat pan and put some beef on that bad boy and made beef teriyaki. They make it beef teriyaki with a PC. Y'all could do some crazy stuff with that. Make some animations, play some Fortnite. No, you gonna make beef teriyaki. For real, like I love beef teriyaki, but come on. Y'all don't got a microwave. Y'all don't got an oven. Y'all just got a PC. When you don't want to get makeup on your shirt. Okay, see, this is actually genius. I don't know why this is in the dumbest hacks folder. This is not a dumb hack, this is a genius hack. So girls, you know when you got a face full of makeup and then when you put on your shirt and ooh, if that shirt touches your face, that makeup gonna wipe the hell off all over the shirt. Oh, see, can y'all see my lipstick stains? I should probably use this. Too much effort, to be honest. So if you put a bag over your head, but you gotta do it fast so you don't suffocate, because you know what they say about putting bags over your head. Dangerous. And then put on your shirt. Your shirt is safe, and your makeup is safe. Life hack, release snakes into your house to catch the rats. Yeah, man, I mean, that must suck to have rats in your house. Having snakes just pop out of the wall with a dead rat in their mouth. Yikes. Having it pop out of the heater. No, I would rather have some mouse traps and some cheese. I don't want snakes popping out of random cracks in my house. I don't care if they kill all the rats. Like, then we got a snake problem here. Which is worse though? Snakes or rats? Like for rats, common for snakes. I think the rats are worse. Rats scared the shit of me. I remember a few months ago I opened up my barbecue and a rat came out. I think it was like the first time I seen rats in this house too. Just like when I was growing up, there was hella rats in our house. It was a problem, especially in the basement, and we always had to go buy mouse traps and put cheese on them and rat poison, and we literally got everything to try to make them go away. I just hate them. They just scare me. Like imagine just sitting in your room and something just scurries behind you and it's a rat. How to write Chinese. Get you a fresh pack of ramen. Color it in with a Sharpie. Press it on a paper. my god! It's so simple! Learn Chinese in only 5 minutes. I actually want to try this and see if it works. Sounds legit. Don't have a fish tank for your new fish? Use an empty bottle of Jack. I don't think this is a good idea. Man, that poor fish is like SpongeBob, how he lives in a pineapple. Except he's living in a bottle of Jack. Don't have a doorstop? Use an old Xbox 360. I mean, might as well, right? GameStop has so many of them. They got one on the inside and the outside. You can even wipe your feet on them when you walk in. I mean, instead of throwing them away, y'all found a use for them. Broken windshield wiper? Mine's actually broken. I forgot to turn them off during a car wash and they done broke themselves. Struggling to like wipe away the water from a car wash and they got smacked. Now they broken. So they put a glove on the broken windshield wiper. So now the glove can wipe. Hello, dust. Goodbye, dust. Hello, dust. Goodbye, dust. I love it. Did somebody steal your mailbox? No problem. Use a microwave. Literally, why? How could he use a box? No, we want to use a microwave. Nice. I appreciate the creativity. What is this woman's purse? Is that a shoe? Or was it made out of jeans? It's like a denim shoe. Girl, why are you carrying around a shoe? I hate this. This should not exist. Go away, please. You're not welcome here. Denim shoe bag. Gotta fix your car, but you don't have the stick that holds your hood open. Use a skateboard. It's working out for this guy. I mean, until it like falls over, but in the time being, it works, right? Door doesn't lock? No problem. Use a spoon. I don't know how, but it's working. They shoved a spoon through the door and it's locked now. Just mowing the lawn with my homemade beer helmet. Okay, whose man's is this? Taped a water pitcher to his helmet. Put a hose. Yes, that is a hose. It is a hose, a garden hose. You literally have to have an industrial straw. A damn garden hose coming out of that. Boy takes his beer very seriously. If you have cold hands, use tea bags. Make a great hand warmer. Pop a hot tea bag into a sandwich bag and tie a knot to the top to prevent leaks. They stay warm for a very long time. What? They stay warm for like 2 minutes. Yeah, let me take this tea bag. It's gonna warm my hands real good. You might as well just put your hands in your pants and sit on your butt. The warmest part of your body. At the cinema, we bought a carton of soft drink and after finishing it, took the empty home. It makes a great designer toothbrush holder. Whose household is this? A Hoomst designer toothbrush? Bro, let's not get too carried away. That's an empty Pepsi cup. Designer my butthole. More like ratchet as hell. This is gross. Didn't have any candles, so put a cigarette in that ice cream cake. Man, get that the hell out of there. That's an ice cream cake. Carvel, you ruining it. What if the ashes like fall into it? It's literally ruined. My whole birthday is ruined. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button in the if you thought any of these were smart. And comment below, which one would you use? And comment below, let me know which one of these you would actually try. And make sure to subscribe, join the wolf pack. Oh, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.